So the shrimp's been washed,
Yes.
de-thawed, nice and clean. Never cook frozen shrimp because the water comes out of the shrimp and then it waters down the flavor. Right or wrong. Lots of fresh garlic when you start, onion. So it's just shrimp, camarão. This is how we cook our shrimp. Don't want it to splash. What you want to do is bring it to a boil. I'm going to put another beer in there. So 2 beers. And then once it starts boiling, 20 minutes. 20-25 minutes. And I put lots of Tabasco sauce.
Yeah, okay.
Or red hot or anything hot. Now because I don't know if everybody likes hot sauce, I'm not going to put too much.
Okay.
I put a little bit of Mrs. Dash. Just a little tiny bit.
Okay.
Add some flavor. And I put a little bit of garlic salt. Just a little bit. Done. And then lots and lots and lots of olive oil.
Okay.
Portuguese, of course.
Yeah.
Mix it all up. Bring it to a nice boil. Any beer. I use Budweiser, but you can use any beer you want. My mom and dad did it for years.
Okay.
That's if you Google Portuguese shrimp recipe, it'll be exactly like that. Exactly like that. It's already starting to turn pink,
Pink? Yes.
right? So it's
So
already
it's starting
starting
to
to
cook.
show that it's starting to cook.
Right.
And then I let it boil, and then once it's boiling, I take the spoon and I try a little bit of sauce. I let it cook for a little bit first.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of salt. More olive. Oh, lots of sauce. I love it. People might not. What you do is you suck it, and then you peel it. Take the skin off. Perfect. Burn me.
మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇంకా అక్కడ బెల్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. అప్పుడు మా వీడియోస్ మిస్ అవ్వరు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.